Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open the Google Pay app and sign in with your Google account today. Complete KYC by submitting ID and verifying phone number for full offer access. Link at least one bank account, debit card, or UPI ID to qualify for bank-specific coupons. Update the app to the latest version to ensure offers display correctly. Enable app notifications so you see time-limited deals immediately. Set your location and preferred language to access regional coupons and merchant-specific discounts. Tap the Offers tab at the bottom of the app to explore current coupons. Use filters to narrow results by bank, merchant, category, or online versus in-store offers. Scroll merchant collections to find exclusive promo codes and cashback deals. Read each coupon details for expiry date, minimum transaction amount, and eligible payment method. Tap Collect or Activate to add coupons to your account when required. Note time-limited flash sales and single-use restrictions on many promotional coupons. When checking out, open your active coupons and select the one you want to apply. Ensure your payment method matches the coupon requirement, such as a specific bank card or UPI. Verify the minimum spend threshold and whether the coupon is single-use or stackable with other offers. Complete payment only after the discount appears on the final screen. Track cashback or reward credits in the app transaction history after the eligible time window. Contact Google Pay support quickly if a valid coupon does not apply as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.